All right, crypto fans. Today, we're diving into one of the most innovative tools transforming the content creation landscape, HeyGen. Imagine creating a spokesperson avatar that's not just versatile but speaks 175 languages fluently, and all you need is a script. Yep, HeyGen's AI is cutting edge, designed for creators, marketers, and businesses hungry for growth and expansion in this digital-first world. So why are people hyped about this? First, HeyGen's user-friendly interface is off the charts. With just a webcam, you can create an avatar of yourself or choose from a massive library of over 50 avatars, each customizable down to the outfit, background, and tone. This is a real game changer for anyone looking to step up their content game and reach global audiences seamlessly. Let's dive deep into details.
But wait, here's more. HeyGen isn't just about video creation, it's about video translation. With the ability to translate not only speech but also on-screen text in 175 languages, you can expand your brand's reach almost instantly. And the localization potential? It's out of this world. Imagine your content reaching Spanish-speaking markets or tapping into audiences across Asia without a single reshoot or extra production cost. That's some serious ROI potential right there. Plus, HeyGen's partnership with 11 Labs brings over 700 unique voices into the mix. So if you need a tone that's specific, regional, or emotionally attuned to your message, HeyGen has you covered. What about scalability? With HeyGen's interactive avatars, personalized videos, and CRM integrations, sales teams can now deliver ultra-targeted content to boost conversion rates like never before. And it doesn't stop there. HeyGen's compliance and commitments to GDPR make it a top choice for enterprises and agencies concerned about security and ethics. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While HeyGen offers a free sign-up, scaling to larger projects might mean needing the premium versions. And sure, creating avatars may require some initial adjustments to get the look and feel right, but honestly, when you weigh this against the growth potential, these are small trade-offs. The lip sync is pretty on point, but I wish they had more actors' choice and more camera angles. All in all, good all-around service to create AI avatars and faceless videos for YouTube and TikTok. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more reviews like this and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto and tech space.